Here's another question we're going to try. Pause the video, write down everything you see, try the question, press play when you're ready. So here, in this question, we have the tangent PQ touches the circle with center O at T. So this is my tangent and it touches at C. Angle MTP is 77 degrees. That's given here. Calculate the size of angle MOT. So what angle is that? Well, we're starting at M, we're going to O, and down to T. So what we're really looking at is this angle in here. Now, let's write down what we see. So using our circle theorems or angle facts within circles, let's start with the obvious. We have a triangle. We've got to ask ourselves, okay, what type of triangle is this? So looking at this, we have two radii, so we know it is an isosceles triangle. Now that's going to be important for us. The next thing we see is we have a tangent and a radius. And we know a tangent and a radius meet at 90 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees, then we know this needs to be 90 degrees as well. Now, we can find our missing angles. So I want to try and find this angle in here, because if I can find this part of the isosceles triangle, then I know that will be equal to over here on this side, and then I can use angles in a triangle, add up to 180 to get O. So here I know that these two angles add up to 90 degrees. So I'm going to go 90 and I'm going to subtract 77, and that's going to give me 13. So this one here is 13 degrees. Now, because of this isosceles triangle, if this is 13 degrees, so is this one on this side, so 13 degrees. And then I can use angles in a triangle, add up to 180. So I'll go 180. And then we're going to subtract 13 plus 13. So 13 plus 13, which we know that's 26. So 180 minus 26 gives me 154. So here, this angle MOT is 154. We can write this like angle MOT equals 154 degrees.